Hi friends, so today I will be doing an unboxing on Hikvision IP video door phone, and I'm Sandeep Patil, your trusted security partner. If you like my video, please do subscribe, the subscribe button below, and let's get into the system. So friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of Hikvision IP video door phone, where I have a indoor unit, IP indoor unit, and the outside IP door station. So this outdoor door station is model number DSKV6103-PE. This is an advanced version which is being claimed by Hikvision. The MRP for this outdoor station is around 8,500, and the indoor model is model number DSKH6320WTE1, and the MRP is around 10,600. So guys, let's open it and see what's there inside this package. So you get a toolkit, a small screwdriver set, Allen key, some cables, screws, and the manual. And the main outdoor station. There's something inside. So this is the mounting plate. And this one is the main outstation outdoor camera. So you have a bell button, I think so. There is a LED indication, light ring. The button seems to be very smooth. There is a speaker and a microphone over here, and a speaker over here, and this is the camera. Yeah, so here you can see it's a wide angle camera with a Hikvision branding over here. Seems cool. At the back you need to open this screw. We will just try. So here you have the LAN port, and you have a TFT card over here. I think so. There is a slot, some connector port, so you can have the lock, alarm inputs. So you can connect some additional input over here, even RS485 connection. Right, there are a lot of digital inputs and output given. There is a tamper switch as well. Overall seems to be a good one, the design and everything. One thing which I found missing is the angular bracket. I would appreciate if Hikvision could have given the angular bracket, because in India most of the flats, we need the angular bracket. We can't install it straight. So that's about the outdoor station. Let's put it back inside. So now we will see the indoor unit. Okay, again the manual bracket screws and the connectors. Here comes the baby. Wow, it's similar to the analog door phone. So here you have the microphone. Seems like a small version of a TV. You have a speaker over here, the power connector, and the connectors for alarm input and RS485. So minimalistic design. Here you have a slot for micro SD for the storage. Great overall, a great product, great design. So in my next video we will be seeing the IP video door phone in action. So stay tuned for my next video. Thank you. So one thing which I forgot to mention in the video is this particular indoor and the outdoor station can be powered using a PoE switch. Yes, you did not need to have an additional power supply. So if you are using a PoE switch, the same can be used as a power for the door stations and the indoor monitor. Great.